Well, for the first time ever, Uber Eats drivers now get access to guaranteed pay. That's what we're talking about in today's video. I'm gonna have a link below to get access to the guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. All right, so now we're gonna get started and discuss how you can get guaranteed pay as a gig worker. And by the way, this works for all of the major gig apps. Whether you're driving for Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Uber Eats, even Amazon Flex, Instacart, all of the major apps, this will work for you. So there's a brand new company called Solo, and they're offering gig workers guaranteed pay. And for a limited time, when you sign up with their link, they're gonna give you $15 just for linking your gig account, totally for free to sign up anywhere in the United States. All right, so here we have it, my friends. This is the business app for gig workers, and it says simplifying gig work by managing your income, tracking expenses, and guaranteeing your pay. So this is a newer app that is on the App Store. You can, see right here, they have 114 ratings, 4 years old, and they recently got about $5 million in funding. So this is the app. They got $5.3 million in funding, and it's helping gig workers make more money. This is the Solo team members here. Keith on the left is the founder. We also have Araceli, Benitez growth lead, Bryce Bennett in the middle. I've spoken with Bryce. Bryce, if you're watching this, hello. Keith Ho, software engineer, and Thushara Wiheratna is the founding and lead engineer on the right there. So you can see they have a well-diversified group of people, people from growth to engineering to, we have the founder who's obviously the leader of the group. And yeah. So anyways, gig economy companies such as Uber, Instacart, GoPuff, and other have given workers a new way to earn money on their own schedule. So you can sign up for their shifts here, which I'll show you. Let's create a new tab so we can all look at this. So the way it works, my friends, is they have a pay guarantee feature. And you can essentially clock in for certain shifts. This is an example. For 6 hours, you will earn $274, which, if you do the math on that, that's pretty amazing. $274 times 365. That's $100,000 a year for 6 hours. It says $37 for Uber, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So you essentially need to clock. Basically, you can click that plus button and sign in. So this works for multiple apps, which is really cool. So, if you get bored of doing, just Uber, you can do DoorDash and make $38 in that hour. 37 with Instacart. So they basically are solving the issue with Uber and Lyft and all the gig apps that when you go out and drive, sometimes it's not busy and you don't make a lot of money. Well, they're essentially guaranteeing that when you do go out, you will earn. Solo's Pro plan is available in the following cities. Now, this is extremely important. The pay guarantee feature at the time of this video is only in certain areas. However, they have a completely free version nationwide, anywhere in the country, which it's even more important that you sign up in that area, because the more people they have in a certain area, the faster they can push this pay guarantee program to that area. The reason why, my friends, is that they're not nationwide is because they want to really nail down, like I said, this is a newer company. They want to nail down their feature and make sure that they're treating every driver with 100% certainty that they can provide that, amount, that pay guarantee. So if you're not in one of those areas, they will go to your area soon. So please sign up. If you're in California, I'm a little biased because I live in California. I really want that pay guarantee feature there. But Arizona, you can say Utah there. These are big states that don't yet have the pay guarantee feature. Louisiana, New York, etc. Solo's Pay Guarantee and Smart Scheduling Masterclass. They have solopreneurs. Oh, and another really cool thing, my friends, is let's go over the pricing feature. It shows you that drivers who use Solo take home $5,000 more a year. No risk. It's a tax deduction. Cancel anytime. 14 days of risk-free access. Now, certainly you can sign up completely for free for the free version and you still get some really cool features, personal income dashboard, custom weekly income market reports, etc. $3.99. You're looking at getting automated mileage tracking. If you know anything about the IRS allows you to receive 62.5 cents per mile of a tax deduction every mile you do. They just updated it for the final 6 months of 2022. The standard mileage rate for business travel will be 62.5 cents per mile. As a gig worker, you are putting on a lot of miles on your car. Now, they are doing this automatically, which if you use the gig apps mileage that they tell you, it's usually a lot lower because they're not accounting for the times that you have to drive home at the end of the day when the app is off, right? That's technically that's a business mile. You're commuting, right? And not only that, but they have federal tax projections. They're going to tell you how much money you're going to owe, estimated at the end of the year. They also have expense tracking as well for other tax write-offs. So this is huge, my friends. They have earnings leaderboard, manual income tracking. They have all these things too. And now the $7.99 Pro version, which by the way is free until the end of the month, that comes with the daily guaranteed pay, right? That's going to be the big money maker where you're going to get paid daily guaranteed pay if you don't hit those dollar amounts. So you can sign up, and they're even going to estimate how much money you're going to make more right here. You can try it out. So use our link below. I wanted to really harp in on this. I also did want to show you guys that Harry Campbell, he's the owner of the Rideshare Guy. He is a really popular guy. He is also an advisor and an investor in Solo. So that's just another way to show that this is a very legitimate company. With $5 million in funding, they're really doing everything that they can to help out gig workers in this struggling economy that we're in. Again, I'm gonna end the video there and let you guys check it out for yourselves. But again, when you use our link below, they're gonna send you $15 for signing up, and that offer does end soon. So check out that link below, link your gig account, and when you go into Solo, make sure that you go to the wallet section and add a payment method so you can get your 15 bucks. And, obviously get paid more if you're signing up for the daily guaranteed pay. So anyways, my friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. You guys are great. Please thumbs it up if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more. Bye now.